And welcome back to the dashboard here in Vmail. In this last and final segment in our Vmail tutorial training, we're going to show you how you can do translations with your email campaigns. This is a very unique feature of our email service compared to other services in the industry. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is show you an example of how a subscriber can be added, and then they can choose the language that they want to receive. Now, before I started recording this video, I added myself as a subscriber to my list. Now, that has come into my Gmail box, and you can see right here it says Vmail message, please confirm subscription. So here it is asking me to confirm. Okay, please confirm your subscription. My name. The message type, I want to get HTML. And my language preference is going to be, I'm going to choose Russian. Okay, and I'm going to confirm with that. And I've subscribed. Now that we've done that, I have a subscriber that I've added my email to receive that message in preference of Russian. So what I'm going to do now is go back to the dashboard, and we would click on create a message, and that's going to bring us to this page here. And under create a message, we're going to go ahead and type in arbitrary title Vmail translation, and this is the translated message in Vmail as the subject. Hello, this message is going to be translated into Russian and Chinese, sent out, read in their respective languages. I'm actually just going to go ahead, for the sake of time, I'm just going to go ahead and do this in Russian right now, just to keep the video a little bit short here today. Okay, so that is my English translation. I'm going to go ahead and click submit. Okay, here's my email, Vmail translation. That's in English, remember. Now to do a translation, I click on translation, create translation, and we're going to go ahead and retype the title. This message will be read in Russian. Okay, now we're going to click the drop down menu under language, set for English, but we'll click the drop down. I'm going to put Russian. And the message is going to be the Vmail translation message. And we're going to go ahead and delete this. Now I went ahead and got the Google translation. Actually, let's go back here. Here it is. We're going to copy that. Insert that into the field. Here's the Russian sentence that basically says this is the Google translated sentence from English to Russian. Okay? So we're going to go and submit that. So to recap here, we have our translated version of the message, and we've done the translation. We put it in there. Now we're going to submit it. Okay? So we're good to go. Our translations are there. Okay. Back to the dashboard. We're going to go ahead to schedule message, and let's go ahead and test it out. Vmail translation, send it now. The mailing list is the user guide. We're going to send out the Vmail translation, and we click submit. It's in queue. It's going to go out, and I will come back in a few moments on this video and show you the results of getting your translation, sending out a translated message, and for the receiver, the subscriber, to get it in their respective translation. Okay, well, we can see now in the Gmail account that the email I just sent out in translation has come in. That says Vmail User Guide. That's the name of the newsletter. It says this message will be read in Russian. Look it there. It is in Russian, ladies and gentlemen. Do you see that? right there. If I take that and copy that, put that into my Google Translate, it says what it says. So it's there, folks. It's working. It's in black and white right there. That is how you translate a message and put it into an email campaign. A very exciting feature, part of the Vmail product. And ladies and gentlemen, that wraps up our complete tutorial training. If you've been with us going through all the 14 videos, you now have all the information and equipping you need to do some effective emailing for your business with Vmail. And we invite you to go ahead and start your first campaign. If you have any follow-up questions, you can always come back to any individual video here and watch the video as many times as you like. Thank you very much for using our Vmail service.